because they, I think, believe on the segmentations. As we discussed earlier that it is a mathematical term, so there was a topic in the mathematics that is board mass, that is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So if there is a problem, then we can simplify that problem after segmentizing that, and easily we can solve the problem. The same thing is arising over here. But the main thing was that it is the system it is used to implement for the to control the pollution. So let us start at how the odd and even system started. Actually, first it is started in China, I think in 1967, and after that that was the trial version. Sorry, that was the trial, and after that again the system implemented in Beijing. Of course, China has a huge population. It was China is the first country, leading country in the population, and the second one in India. So I'm here to say in the motion of coordination system, if China is implementing this system, having the largest population, so why not in India? And even this odd and even system is implementing only in the Delhi capital. So I think it's a good, and let's go to the India Today news. After 1 week, after the completion of the 1 week, I think it is odd and even system started from 1 January 2015, 2016. So after the completion of 1 week, the High Court has High Court has given an order to the government of Delhi, the ruling government, that what is the conclusion. So High Court has asked a certain report for that. So it was concluded that first day the pollution was almost quite similar, and second day it raised, but after that similarly the pollution come in control day by day. So overall the High Court has also given the permission to the Aam Aadmi Party government that even if they want to continue that odd and even system, then they can continue without any problem. But Aam Aadmi Party stopped on after that because there was the 26th January, and it will create little bit problem in that, and after that the children's examination was also going to start in March, so again it will create some little bit problem. So the Aam Aadmi Party is going to start after that I think in April. So if the government, if the law is accepting odd and even system, so why can't people accept that?
Good morning, respected sir and ma'am and friends. I am Shubhangi Srivastava, going to express my view on against odd and even system. Delhi Chief Minister Mr. Arvind Kejriwal on Saturday has said that he would withdraw the odd and even number formula if people did not accept it. But till then, there could be a trial run of the odd and even formula that will allow the citizens to use even number car on one day and odd number ones on the other. While many would not like to shift from the personal car to the public transport, there are many who are optimistic about the proposals for the Delhi and clean air. Many citizens might have welcomed the new move of the AAP government party, but they are equally confused over absence of variable alternative at present. Delhi Transport Minister Mr. Ramakant Goswami says Delhi CM said if the formula fails, it would be scrapped. Do you think to the serious pollution problem, it is the solution? No, this is not the option of the serious pollution problem. It seems that pollutant in Delhi air on Monday remained constant on the begin amid the absence of smoke. Weather respect experts said that the gains of lesser cars on the city road seems to have a no immediate impact on the pollution level. Due to variation of weather conditions, claimed wind movement and the fall in the daytime temperature. Before announcing the odd and even system, some precautions must be taken to the government. The government should have had a proper alternative system in place for the smooth and safe movement of the citizens. Transport Minister has said that there would be a 7,000 buses for Delhi. So for that the government should have waited till a proper system begin. Transport Minister Ramakant Goswami has given us so much suggestion. Number of DTC buses should be increased with a larger conveyance last point connectivity. Add coaches in the metro trains and increase the numbers trains in its frequency. Auto should be increased and they should not refuse passenger as do now, despite carrying on duty board. Proper feeder service from metro station to nearby residential area and markets. Ensure transportation facility after 9 p.m. as it becomes difficult for the citizens to get modes of public transport, especially in winters. Citizens, especially women and children, must while using public transports. Public transport for those who have late night shifts and late out working like in hospitals, call centers, media houses, etc. Finally, I want to conclude that due to the even odd system, there is no changes seen in Delhi. No reduction of air pollution. Metro crowd has been increased. Due to this, it is difficult for the working employees to travel. Continue with the Abhishek.